How to leave a group FaceTime on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your device. The phone app on an iPhone is primarily used for making and receiving calls, including cellular calls, FaceTime audio calls, and FaceTime video calls. It provides features like a keypad for manual number entry, a favorites list for quick access to frequently called contacts, and a recents list for reviewing recent calls. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. You can view all your recent call logs over here. As you can see, there is a FaceTime group call log over here. Tap on it to call them again on FaceTime. You can tap on the camera button above to turn on your video. You can also turn on the speaker or mute the call from here. If you want to leave this group call, then tap on the icon at the top right corner. Here, tap on the Leave button as shown. You have now successfully left this group call. Following these steps, you can easily leave a group FaceTime on iPhone.